Should you get a SOC 2 or ISO 27001? The answer is simple. It depends. A SOC 2 is an attestation report that a CPA firm evaluates for effective security controls. ISO 27001 is a certification that says that an organization is following a set of cybersecurity standards. Both have significant overlap. If your organization has received your SOC 2 or ISO 27001, then clearly you've done a lot of work on your cybersecurity program. Both evaluations focus on good processes such as managing access control, change control, and many good technical controls. Here are 3 key differences that we've experienced after going through many audits. ISO 27001 has a distinct focus on documentation. Policy documentation is important for both SOC 2 and ISO, but ISO takes it to another level. You want to make sure that your ISO documentation is robust and thorough. With SOC 2, there are many options. There are 4 optional trust service criteria. You can select, for instance, if you want privacy covered. You can also choose to do a point-in-time evaluation, that's a type 1, or evaluate over a period of time, that's a type 2. With ISO 27001, you get a certification on the standard. ISO 27001 has a focus on performing the audit in person. In today's pandemic environment, that could clearly be a concern. After speaking to several SOC 2 auditors, they're moving their audits to virtual. There's some cases where they need to be on site, but for the most part, they're trying to do them remotely. For ISO 27001, the guidance has been less clear. In general, ISO 27001 typically values the time that the auditor spends on site. For companies that host their servers in the cloud, this is less relevant today and can be an issue when personnel are not permitted to travel or be in the office. Probably the biggest decision criteria for selecting SOC 2 or ISO 27001 is where an organization's customers are located. For those in the US, SOC 2 is the trend. For those with a significant European presence, ISO 27001 is preferred. Whether you select SOC 2 or ISO 27001, the organizational commitment can benefit both your organization's security and how your customers and prospects perceive your organization. Which do you prefer? Leave your preferences in the comments below. I'm Rob Black from Fractional CISO, and we help companies with their compliance strategy and get them ready for a variety of audits.